It's engineering! Engineering! Looking good.
Tonight's event is our Girls Engineering Night, which is for our middle school girls, grades 7 through 9, to come up here to the high school to see what the Engineering Academy is about, what technology education is about, and what our computer science program is all about. We also have the laser engraver running that also can cut out different things, and just showing that we can do quick prototypes, we can make different things.
The microscope itself is a tool that allows engineers, or in this case our students, the ability to see things that the human eye or even an optical microscope cannot see. And it also has an elemental analysis feature, so we can click a button and it'll tell us on the periodic table of element.
Girls are getting exposed to some of the different games and projects created in our spatial computing course, which is our VR and Unity design course. So students created games and activities that the girls are trying to work their way through.